Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with MCQs of Social Science for CTET. Question number 1. The year 2025 can also be written as A. BC 2025, B. EC 2025, C. AD 2025, D. AP 2025. Answer is AD 2025. AD stands for Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord, used 4 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. 2025 is in the AD era. Question number 2. Which of the following rivers is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga, B. Kosi, C. Gandak, D. Bagmati. Answer is B. Kosi. The Kosi River frequently changes its course and causes devastating floods in Bihar, hence called the sorrow of Bihar. Question number 3. The right to constitutional remedies is provided in which article of Indian Constitution? A. Article 32, B. Article 21, C. Article 19, D. Article 14. Answer is A. Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called the Article 32 the heart and soul of the Constitution, as it allows citizens to approach the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. So anyone can file right for his fundamental rights in the Supreme Court. Question number 4. Which of the following is the longest river in South India? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Tungabhadra. Answer is A. Godavari. Godavari is the second longest river in India and the longest in South India. Its length is approximate 1465 kilometer, 1465 kilometer. Next question. The Battle of Plassey 1757 was fought between A. Sirajuddaulah and Robert Clive, B. Tipu Sultan and Lord Cornwallis, C. Bahadur Shah Jafar and British, D. Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Answer is A. Sirajuddaulah and Robert Clive. This battle marked the beginning of British political control in India, as the East India Company defeated the Nawab of Bengal with the help of Mir Jafar. Now, next question is, which of the following is not a fundamental duty under Article 51A? A. To abide by the Constitution, B. To protect the environment, C. To pay income tax, D. To develop scientific temper. Answer is C. To pay income tax. Paying income tax is a legal duty, not a fundamental duty. Fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Amendment in 1976. Next question is, the concept of sustainable development was popularized by which report? A. Brundtland Report, B. Kyoto Protocol, C. Paris Agreement, D. Montreal Protocol. Answer is A. Brundtland Report. 7. Brundtland Report, entitled Our Common Future, defined sustainable development as development that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generation. Next question. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Mercury. Answer is B. Mars. Mars appears reddish due to iron oxide or rust in its surface. Next question. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. 1917, B. 1919, C. 1921, D. 1930. Answer is B. 1919. On 13 April 1919, General Dyer ordered firing on peaceful crowd in Amritsar, killing hundreds. Next question. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which Indian state? A. Rajasthan, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Odisha, D. Gujarat. Answer is C. Odisha. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, MP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram, but not Odisha. Next question. Which of the following is the most appropriate method to teach democracy in social science classroom? A. Lecture method only. B. Role play and mock parliament. C. Memorizing definitions. D. Showing only documentary film. Answer is B. Role play and mock parliament. Experiential and participatory methods like mock parliament help students to understand democratic processes meaningfully as per NCF 2005 and CTET pedagogy. Next question, the Dandi March was related to A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Swadeshi movement. Answer is B. Civil disobedience movement. Gandhi Ji's 240-mile march to Dandi. He marched on foot for 240 miles in 1930 and protested against the salt law. For next, which soil is best suited for cotton cultivation? A. Alluvial soil. B. Black soil. C. Red soil. D. Laterite soil. Answer is black soil. Black soil or reger. Black soil is also called reger, which is rich in clay and has moisture retention capacity, ideal for cotton. So it is said black soil is equal to cotton soil. Next question, the preamble of Indian Constitution begins with the words A. We the people of India. B. Sovereign, socialist, secular. C. Justice, liberty, equality. D. Fraternity, assuring dignity. Answer is we the people of India. The preamble starts with the we the people of India and declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Next question, which of the following is a direct tax? A. GST. B. Excise duty. C. Income tax. D. Custom duty. Answer is C. Income tax. Direct taxes are paid directly by individuals or companies to the government, which on whom it is imposed, like income tax, while indirect taxes are collected through goods and services, GST, excise, customs, etc. Thank you.